Understanding the phrase, layup, in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll be diving into a common term you might have heard in various contexts, especially in the world of sports, layup. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means and how to use it in sentences. The term layup primarily originates from the sport of basketball. In basketball, a layup is a shot made close to the hoop, usually by bouncing the ball off the backboard. It's one of the most basic and fundamental shots in the game. Because it's often taken so close to the basket, it's generally considered an easy shot. Thus, the term has been borrowed in various contexts to mean something that's easy or a sure thing. While the phrase, layup, is rooted in basketball, it has found its way into colloquial English to describe something that's relatively easy or straightforward. Here are a few examples. 1. The test was a layup. I finished in half the allotted time. 2. Getting her to agree was a layup. She was already interested in the idea. 3. This task is a layup compared to the challenges we faced last week. In all these sentences, the term layup indicates that the task or situation at hand is considered easy or simple, similar to making a close-range shot in basketball. While layup is the most commonly used term, there are similar phrases that capture the same essence. For instance, slam dunk, also a basketball term, it's sometimes used interchangeably with layup to indicate something that's a sure thing or very easy. However, a slam dunk in basketball is more flashy and emphatic than a layup. Piece of cake, or walk in the park, these are non-sports related idioms, but they convey the same idea of something being easy or straightforward. So there you have it. The term layup is not just confined to the basketball court. Its meaning has expanded into everyday English to describe situations or tasks that are easy to handle. We hope this video has made understanding and using the term layup for you. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beautiful world of English.